Everybody just calm down.
Welcome to Little Mouse, Little Mouse. Hold up, everybody. Everyone put on their detective hats, and guess what? There's a mouse that's hiding behind one of these houses, and we're gonna find him. So guess what, y'all? Shh. Repeat after me. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the blue house? Shh. We gotta see. Let's see. Whoa! A penguin? That's not the mouse. What's the next color? I think we should choose purple. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the purple house? Everybody just calm down. Busy. Busy. Go, busy. Whoa! Pumbaa? That's not the mouse. What's the next color? Let's do yellow. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the yellow house? Let's see. Whoa! A pig? What kind of noise a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. And lastly, green. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the green house? Whoa! A Toy Story alien? Hold up, everybody. Where's the mouse? Let's see. Pumbaa may have the mouse. Whoa! A dinosaur? That's not the mouse, y'all. Where should we go next? You know what? What you say, Busy? The penguin? Let's listen to Busy. Whoa! Buzz Lightyear! That's not the mouse, y'all! Where should we go next? What do you say, Busy? The pig? Let's trust Busy. Let's see. Whoa! Timon just came out of nowhere! Where is the mouse? Hold up. I think, y'all, it's behind that alien. Everybody just calm down. Yeah! Good job, everybody!
3 King Visions.